has come and found us here, with our toys scattered all around us here. The puzzle that we never found the answer for still asks us, darling, just what all the games were for. Here we stand in a box of sand. Where's the playground, Suzie? You're the one who's supposed to know her way around. Where's the playground, Suzie, if I don't stay around? If I don't stay around. The carousel has stopped us here. It twirled a time or two and then it dropped us here. And still you're not content with something about me. But what merry-go-round can you ride without me to take your hand? How would you stand? Where's the playground, Suzie? If I decide to let you go and play around, where's the playground, Suzie? If I don't stay around, if I don't stay around, where's the playground, Suzie? You're the one who's supposed to know her way around. Where's the playground, Suzie? If I don't stay around, if I don't stay around, if I don't stay